Alright, this is my 5th recording on the car. We put the airbags in. We still need to put the seatbelts in because, you know, they're locked up. They're right there. Spin. You put this back in too. We cleaned the flywheel. And there's the transmission. Cleaned it up. There's the radiator over there. Well, not the motor, but you know where the motor's supposed to go. What else did we do? Oh, the fender. We got our new fender for this car. It's the right fender passenger. We're gonna take off the paint and put it that color, darkish grayish. And the hood is right there. We're gonna take the paint off that one too. And here's the engine. Hold on. There it is. That's the 2000. I think it was a 2004. Yeah, 2004 RS300 motor. It looks mad new compared to the other one.